So you know you need content to rank on Google, but one of the worst mistakes you can make is start creating content without considering the user search intent. What is that? All right, pretty simply put, user search intent is the motivation behind the search. So what are users thinking? What do they need when they search for something for a solution? Let's go over that, and I'm going to show you why you need to know what search intent is and how to use it to improve your SEO game. Let's go. So as we said, the search intent is the motivation behind the search. Why are people searching what they are searching? So let's say, for example, that you created a CRM software. Of course, you're going to create content to rank for CRM software, but what else are people searching for? And what's the motivation behind that search? If you know that, you're going to be able to create amazing content for them. For example, one of the long tail keywords for CRM software is how much is a CRM software? So what's the search intent behind that? Well, people are worried and they want to know how expensive a CRM software can get. Is it a flat price? Is it a per user pricing, per team member? How does it work? If you understand why they are searching that, you're going to be able to create much better service pages, pricing pages, so you can explain that information to them. Or maybe they want to know if using a CRM software is complicated. Usually a CRM software is used in a team environment. So is it going to be difficult for someone to teach their employees and show them how to use a CRM software? So how complicated is it to use a CRM software? That's something they could be searching for as well, how to implement a CRM software. Is using a CRM software complicated? Those are search intent ideas that people may have about your specific software. Or for example, let's say that you are a website design freelancer. So what could people be searching? How much is a web design service? How much is a website? Those type of questions show the intent. People want to know how much they are going to spend. What's the usual time frame for delivery for a website? The only way you're going to know the answers to the questions and you're going to discover the search intent for your users is by knowing your users. If you don't know your users, what do they want? What do they need? Why are they going to pay for your product or for your services? If you don't know that, you're going to have a pretty hard time discovering what the search intent for your users is. So for example, I'm going to talk about my business. I have an SEO agency. So what's the search intent behind a user that searches for SEO agency near me? Yes, they need an SEO agency, but what's the motivation behind the search? Maybe they want to have their website show up on Google, but why? Because they want to sell more. They need more clients. They need to make more money. I understand that about my customers. So that's why when I create content on my website, I try to focus the content around the benefit of showing up first on Google. They're going to be able to sell more, get more leads, get more clients in the door. That's going to be the direct benefit. So I understand the search intent behind what they are typing on Google, and that allows me to create content tailored for those needs. So do the same for your business. Go over the needs of your clients. So when a client hires you to do something, why do they do it? What problem are they trying to solve? That's the search intent you need to discover. Once you do that, you're going to be able to create amazing content that they're going to find, and they're going to trust you and notice that you are the solution they were looking for. So focus on search intent when you're trying to create content for your website, and it's going to help your SEO, but not just that, it's going to help your business, right? I hope this information is useful for you. I appreciate it. If you like the video, share it. And if you haven't done so, subscribe to the channel so you can consume more of the content I have coming up. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.